Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Turn on location and allow the map or messaging app to access it. Open Google Maps or Apple Maps and let it find you. This ensures accuracy. Then center the map on your spot or touch and hold to drop a pin where the location should be shared. Once the pin is placed, double-check the address line that appears so you know what you'll send. This avoids sending the wrong building or a nearby street instead of the exact spot. Once the pin is ready, tap it and choose Share or Send Location. That creates a link or a live location option. Next, pick how to send it. Use Messages, WhatsApp, or copy the link into any app. If available, select Live Location for ongoing updates, otherwise send a static pin. Add a short note like "Meet me here" and pick the correct contact. Make sure to confirm the recipient so the location doesn't go to the wrong person once you hit send. After sending, ask the recipient to open the link and confirm they see the correct spot. That simple check prevents confusion. If they report the wrong place, drop a new pin and resend, or switch to live location so they can track movement. If the message fails or the link won't open, toggle location services off and on, update or reinstall the app, and restart your phone as needed. These steps resolve most glitches so you can reconnect and finish the handoff quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.